upon a time, a little nightingale sat alone, feeling sad. It said, "The night has come, and I am so lost in the darkness. I spent the day flying and looking for food, but now I don't know how to reach my home. Everywhere around me, everything is covered in darkness." As the nightingale sighed, feeling helpless, a little firefly, who was nearby, overheard and flew up to the nightingale. "Don't worry," said the firefly, "I am here to help you with all my heart. Though I am small, I have something to offer. The night may be dark, but I will light the way for you. I have a tiny light that Allah has given me, and I will shine it to guide you." The nightingale looked at the firefly in amazement and felt hopeful again. "Thank you, dear firefly. Your light has brightened my path." And so, the little firefly led the nightingale through the dark night, showing that even the smallest ones can make a big difference by helping others. The story teaches us that those who help others are truly the best people in the world. In the end, the nightingale reached its home safely, and both the bird and the firefly felt happy knowing that kindness and helping one another make the world a brighter place. Moral of the story: good people are those who help others.